So our project, what we did was we designed a Powerline communication module, and so what it does is you plug it into the wall socket in your house, and it communicates over the power lines in your house. And so that's what we're doing. And so we built some prototypes, and I plugged it into the wall, and it blew up 2 days ago, so I didn't have time to redo it. So we're just showing our breadboard simulation of it. But right here you see this is kind of the modem, which modulates the signal, and then we send it over this power line right here, and then we receive it, and then talk into it with our,
So we use the LPC and the Blue Smurf, and the LPC and the Blue Smurf will talk with your phone, and you can sort of cycle through a menu, which you can then use to, it will, basically, we made up our own package that we end up sending over the power line that the Arduino then deciphers, and it breaks it down into a command and an identification. The identification will select like the device that you want to talk to, and then the command will, it'll turn something on or off, or other, properties that you decide to use for the device that's connected to it. We're going to simulate it, and what it does is you can choose these are the devices, and then the command is to turn the lights on or off. And so the idea is it'll start here, and it'll come through here, and then through the transmission line. The Arduino will break it down, and then we'll turn on the lights.
All right, cool. So we have our Bluetooth app. We're just using the terminal right now. So we're going to send to 1. And what you'll see is you'll see the packet that we send, and it turns on the light. And so we can turn off the light too, send a command to turn it off, and then we'll send a command to turn on the yellow, and then we send a command to turn it off. And it has a nice, the typical state scheme. So hopefully next we can finish it and actually plug it into the wall. So.
Cool. Good luck.